Did you know over 2,000 people were frozen in time in just 15 minutes? On August 24, 79 AD, the citizens of Pompeii were going about their normal day. Merchants sold bread in the forum, children played in the streets, families prepared their evening meals. Then Mount Vesuvius erupted without warning. At first, people watched the ash column rise into the sky, curious but not panicked. But then they saw it. A massive gray cloud racing down the mountain at 450 miles per hour. The pyroclastic flow was a wall of superheated gas and rock, moving faster than anything they could imagine. 15 minutes. That's all they had. People ran through the streets, covering their faces, embracing loved ones one final time. Ironically, those who stayed indoors lived longer than those who fled outside. The flow hit like a furnace, instantly preserving everyone exactly as they were. Today, their plaster casts show us their final moments, frozen forever in volcanic ash.